Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by cutting power and opening the air leaf valve to drop tank pressure. This keeps you safe. Once done, close feed and return valves so water won't flow back while you work. Make sure to backwash or rinse the filter to clear loose material. Then remove the multi-port valve or lid according to your model's steps so you can access the media bed without making a mess. You now remove the old media carefully. Scoop or vacuum it out, avoiding damage to laterals and the central standpipe because broken laterals cause channeling. Once cleared, inspect and swap any cracked laterals or seals. A faulty part ruins filtration regardless of new media. After that, measure the filter's required volume and slowly pour in the correct media, sand, glass, or beads, layering gently so the standpipe stays centered and the media settles evenly to the specified depth. You finish by replacing the multi-port valve or lid and tightening clamps or bolts to spec. Then open valves and refill slowly to purge air. Once filled, run the pump on rinse to flush fines, and then switch to filter mode while watching the pressure gauge and water clarity. If pressure spikes or water stays cloudy, make sure media depth is correct and laterals are intact. A single cracked lateral or uneven media bed is the most common cause and is easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.